In this video, I will be making a banana, nut, and raisin bread. Now you can make this bread the traditional way, or you can make it healthier by tweaking the ingredients. Banana bread can be a healthy treat depending on the ingredients used. Traditional banana breads are usually high in sugar. By tweaking your ingredients, you can reduce the sugar and increase your protein and fiber. In this recipe, the nuts and the raisins will increase the protein and fiber in the bread. I also use whole wheat flour and brown sugar instead of white. Bananas are rich in potassium and B6. Walnuts are rich in protein and omega-3 fats, which is good for the brain. And raisins are high in potassium and fiber. The bananas I'm using in this recipe is very ripe, and I choose to use 4, but you can use 3 depending on the size. You can definitely include banana bread in a healthy diet, but it should be considered a dessert. Now you should mash your bananas thoroughly so you don't get chunks in your batter. The traditional recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar, but today I am only using 1 cup of brown sugar. I am using 2 tablespoons of butter, which is made from olive oil. I am using canola oil in this recipe, but you can use vegetable oil or even coconut oil. I also prefer to use brown eggs, but you can use the one you like. There are many varieties of banana breads. You can find gluten-free, you can find vegan, or even low carb. I recommend that you crack the eggs separately so that if there's a bad egg, it doesn't contaminate the others. You can enjoy a sweet treat as part of a healthy diet. You just need to swap some of the key ingredients for healthier ones. Your physical and mental health should always be a priority and is a major contributor to your financial health as well. You can experiment with the recipe to make it more conducive to your diet. For example, if you're a diabetic, you definitely will want to use less sugar. Now, vanilla is a flavorful ingredient which contains antioxidants, and it's also good for brain health. Nutmeg is also another powerful spice which contains powerful antioxidants. It is known as an anti-inflammatory, and it also has antibacterial properties. I am using whole wheat flour, but you could also use nut flour, coconut flour, or even oat flour. For people with gluten intolerance, trying the other flour might be a better option. Baking powder is a key ingredient for the texture of your bread. I also add a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Walnuts also add to the texture of the bread, but it also has many health benefits as it provides essential nutrients. Raisins are high in potassium and fiber, and it adds to the sweetness of the bread. It is important to grease your baking tins well to prevent sticking. It will also be easier to remove the bread from the pan after it's baked. When you pour your batter in the tin, you should leave room for it to rise. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends and family. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I hope you decide to try this recipe, and if you do, please leave me a comment so I can know what you think of the recipe. Banana bread is a great dessert option and can be healthy if you adjust your ingredients. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And before we go, let's take a look at a little clip that I got from my rafting in the White River.